Morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. It is Monday morning. It is what is it? The 18th of November. What? Like Thanksgiving? Just over a week away. What is this planet we are on? Can you believe that? Good morning, my friends. This is Coffee Talk. I'm Wesh 2 First Warning Meteorologist Eric Burris. We get together 7 days a week, chat about what's going on in the world of weather. This morning, a little cool looking live outside on our Tower Cam network. There's some clouds over top, but it's a nice and relatively dry morning. I mean, you've got the clouds, right? But we pop up our first warning live Doppler radar, and we are looking just fine outside, right? Yeah, a nice clean sweep. Let's talk about those temperatures. It's the mid 50s north and west. Look at that. 55 in Ocala, 63 in Sanford, 60 degrees in Orlando. So today's forecast looking great. We'll have bright sunshine. Yeah, we've got some clouds over top of us this morning, but those clouds are not going to. I'm watching Alex Alisi pull out an airplane. It's just hilarious to watch him. He's such a little squirrely bird. It's just such a beautiful morning. It's going to be a beautiful afternoon. High temperatures around 80 degrees. But I've got to tell you, while we're looking good now, and we've been talking about this for a while, there's changes in our forecast. All right. Looking at the wide perspective, high pressure is holding firm over top of us, but look out to your left, out west. That, my friends, is a cold front, and coagulating with that cold front tonight into tomorrow is going to be the remnants of what was Sarah. Sarah and that cold front come together, and tomorrow afternoon into Wednesday, it approaches our area. And as it approaches our area, brings us showers and thunder showers. Take a look at the 7-day forecast, right? Today, beautiful. Tomorrow, beautiful. High temperature of about 83 degrees. Then on Wednesday, we've got those storms around. We are badging it as an impact day because of the fact that not only is there going to be rain, but it's going to be the kind of rain that probably will impact us. Our morning commute, maybe a little fakakta. Heavy rains, even some pockets of winds. For now, it doesn't look like the dynamics will be there for severe weather, but we are talking about some rains there on Wednesday, all right? So let's do this. Let's take a look at our futurecast model. It should now be within range, I believe. And let's see what Futurecast is saying, all right? So let's go. Here's 11 a.m. Tuesday, and we're just going to start with Tuesday afternoon into evening. Through 7 o'clock Tuesday, we are fine. And I would add, too, like, I'm not showing it, but today is fine. We know this to be true, right? Then to about 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, we're starting to watch some rains moving in. Our Futurecast is showing that while it may not be widespread rains for a morning commute, there's going to be some showers and then even some heavier downpours 9, 10, 11 o'clock, and then clearing out. So it still looks like it's going to be early in the day for the rainfall. And our Futurecast, I would add, is not going bonkers in overall coverage. If I dial up the American GFS model, that's the wind gust product. I need rain. GFS with rainfall accumulation. All right, this one will work. We have so many different versions of the models. All right, so Tuesday, here's the GFS kind of showing the showers coming in through late. So it's fine tuning to late morning and early afternoon, but notice the rainfall accumulations have backed off, which is good. So a quarter of an inch to a half of an inch is kind of what we're looking at for the rain chance and accumulation on Wednesday. All right. So at this point in time, the dynamics are not going to be there for anything too significant, but the rain coverage is up. So looking at the forest through the trees here, my friends. All right. Today, nice and dry. We've got the clouds over top of us. Tomorrow, nice and dry. We'll have some clouds over us. And then on Wednesday, heavier downpours at times. I think we may, if the trends continue, we would then have to drop the rain coverage a little bit from 70%. We'll watch the trends on that. Right now, we're just starting to get into mesoscale model range, and we'll need a couple of runs just to kind of get an idea, make sure that everything is dialed in correctly. Okay? So that's the rain coverage. Then what comes after? It's going to catch you. If you're not paying attention to the coffee talk, it's going to get you. Highs in the lower 80s on Tuesday. Rain on Wednesday. What is that? Thursday, Friday, and the weekend is that chill. I'm just going to take a minute. I'll let you emotionally get there. Okay? It's going to get chilly out. Hope you have your jeans. Hope you have your stockings. Hope you have your boots with the fur. We are talking about high temperatures in the 60s and morning lows in the 40s. Finally, man, we're getting there. Finally, we're getting where we need to be. Are you ready for this? Look at the difference, okay? From tomorrow's high temperature of 83, which will be fine, to Friday's high temperature of 67. Y'all, 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 okay? We are fallen, free fallen. Oh, and the morning, as mentioned, coldest start of the season by far. 45 when I see on West. I'm working this Saturday, aren't I? I can't even tell some of these days. All right, I'm working Saturday and then I'm off all next week. Okay. Just had to check. I just had to check, y'all. I just had to check because the vacations are getting fakakta with holidays. But yeah, so when I see you, it's going to be outstanding. 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 Hold on one second. Sorry. Okay. So, how are we feeling? How are we feeling? Are we good? Like are we ready emotionally to get into some chill? I know I am. Although like I'm wearing shorts here. I'm at the airport. I'm wearing shorts and I know that there's going to be days in the not so distant future where I'm going to have to start doing the pants all the time and all of that fun stuff. So, yeah. Good times. Good times, good times, good times. I'm wrapping up my butter bean picking, tomatoes and peppers next. Butter bean? I've never heard of that. Is that a thing? John says up here in Marion will be nice and chilly. You want to talk about nice and chilly. So let's look at the 7 day here, okay? So Saturday is going to be our chilliest morning, right? That's Saturday morning 45. Let's look at some of those low temperatures for Saturday morning around Central Florida, okay? Here's where we're at. 45 in Orlando, 43 in the Villages, 41 degrees in Ocala. Yeah. Yep. John says, I actually saw you on TV a few nights back for the first time, and first thing I thought is, hey, there's the guy who does Coffee Talk. See, I can be professional, sometimes. Chris is asking, do we still have a cold front coming through on Thanksgiving Day? We'll look at all the models. We're starting here. We're starting here, okay? All right. Mickey's asking about Thanksgiving. Slow down, Charlie Brown. We're getting there. We're getting there. Getting there. Okay. Oh, it's lima beans. Just never heard it called that before. All right. So, yeah. Now, that's where we're at for now. So, let's look at the 7 day forecast again. And that's going to put us right in line to get ready for Thanksgiving week. And so, since y'all were asking about Thanksgiving week, what we can do is we can start to look at some of the model guidance. So, the first thing I'm going to do, give me a second to get it dialed up. Oh my gosh. Just hit the button, would you? All right. Not the Canadian, although that's cute. We'll do that. All right. Hold on a second. I have to do it off on the off air side first, and then I can do it on the. Oh my goodness. Why are you being a punk? There we go. All right. GFS, daily high, low temperature. All right. So, I don't know if like my face is giving it away or not. All right, scrape, put you there, all paste. Okay. All right. So here's what the GFS is saying. Unfortunately, at the moment, it's not going with a big chill for Thanksgiving. Um, we'll see if this plays out. But for now, it's kind of putting us right back into now into early December, perhaps. We'll have to see. You know, if we go back one model run, and again, this is the GFS. It's raw model data, so understand it is what it is. That's a 6Z. If we go to the 0Z, we go back to the 18Z yesterday. All right, so the 18Z yesterday was bringing in a cold front around Black Friday. We go to the 12Z yesterday, was bringing in a cold front Black Friday. So notice it had warm air for Thanksgiving Day, and then it chilled afterward. But if we go now, it's kind of losing that. So models are not trending in the right direction if you're wanting a cold front there. Sorry. I mean, I for one would love that, but yeah. Jessica says, let's all just do Thanksgiving this week while it's cold enough. Wouldn't that be funny, right? Now that's the GFS. Let's look at the Canadian. Here's the Canadian model. Of course, the Canadian doesn't go out very far. Yeah, so the Canadian, yeah, Canadian doesn't go out very far. And the euro, I'll tell you, like the euro temperatures are not. They're just not. So don't even worry about the euro. But yeah, so the GFS, GFS is what the GFS is. But it's less and less and less embracing. Um, it's less and less embracing the cold front around Thanksgiving. Judy's asking, when am I on TV? Yeah, so I'm on TV on Fridays for the noon and 4 and Saturday mornings. And then just everywhere else, like, let's see, next shifts. Yeah, so I'll be on TV noon and 4 on Friday, Saturday morning, and then I'm off through Thanksgiving. And then I do the noon and 4 on December 3rd, noon and 4 on December 6th, morning show on the 7th, noon and 4 on the 10th, noon and 4 on the 11th, sunrise and noon on the 12th, and then share your Christmas on the 13th. So, I'm all over the place. I'm like Visa. I'm everywhere you want to be. Yeah. All right. Anyone else kind of crave a euro? Oh, that's funny. That's funny. All right. So that's kind of where we're at, friends. Questions, comments, concerns? Matt says those clouds behind you look fantastic for flying. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Today doing an IFR flight to Vero Beach. So I'm going to grab a little brunch down at CJ Cannon's. So that'll be fun. So hopefully those clouds will stick around and give me some actual instrument flying time. Yeah. All right. Questions, comments, concerns? Anything? No? Look, we can take it nice and easy today. I'll take that. All right. So we've got rain on Wednesday, morning to about midday, and then clearing out, and then clearing and really cooling for our Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. All right. All right, listen, be the sunshine in someone else's day. Thank you for hanging out for Coffee Talk. I will see y'all later.